can't give all your goods away at once.
No, never. There you go. Okay, now it's $1 a handful. You made
That was
it
from one
snow.
side. This is from the other side, but we already picked up a majority of that. Pigs, what are you doing?